Let me see. Let me see if everything is working. I'm watching my own YouTube channel, and if my screen is shared and you can hear my voice, I will start this tutorial. Okay, seems that everything is working. Okay, in the last tutorial, we saw that I forgot one sector here in the PRJ. So I'm going to fix this problem. As you know, I cannot bound rooms in NGLE if there are doors. So I delete all the doors and I bound my rooms. As you can see, I am modifying the PRJ, and the MetaSequoia file is ready because I divided everything in rooms. Okay, as you can see here, they are all divided into rooms. I close this file for now. So I am modifying this project right now. Door. Bound. Door. This door. This door. Okay. The last one on this floor, obviously. Bound. Door. Door. And door. Okay. So I go in the lower room, the lower rooms. I start from this one. I do a bound. Sorry, undo. NGLE crashed. Oh my god. Okay, I can't do anything. It crashed. Okay, I have to reload and do everything again. Okay. Bound. Okay. Bound. Bound. Yes, it's fine. Bound. Bound. Door. Okay. Now I do a bound. Door, door, door. Okay, I save. So if I press some button for mistake, by mistake, I won't have to do everything again. Okay, I go in the upper room. Bound. Door. Door. Bound. Oh, sorry. What I have done? Okay, this one. Bound. Door. Obviously, I have to do this one. Refresh. Okay. Sorry. Here. Door. Door. And door. Bound. Door. Okay, here I am here. So I'm going to build a door here, a door here, and a door here. Okay. Let me see if everything is working. Okay, very good. There's no need to texture here, but I want to do a thing. That this means that I want to raise up the ceiling, because the ceiling is much higher in my imported geometry. So I'm going to raise up the ceiling of about 4 click for sector 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same here. One, two, three, 4. And here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do this here. 1, 2, 3, 4. My mouse doesn't collaborate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I hope there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and again the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me see if everything is fine. Not that fine because some of the rooms are too high. This one, for example. It's not actually a problem, but just to be a little bit ordered, to not have nothing in mess. Let me see. Okay, this one. Okay, this last one. Okay. Okay, so it is all fine. What I want to do now, which is a step forward into the importing of this level, is to add the possibility to see the sky graphics. So I go in this room, and I paint with a texture with the completely black the ceiling, for example this way, and here. Even randomly, it doesn't matter that much. The most important thing is that the sky, the horizon should be visible. In this room, the texturization is not really a problem here in this moment, in these fake rooms, in those fake rooms. Okay. Okay. Okay, save project. Yes. Okay. Then I can export doing the output part. This is the part as before, the same as before. Okay. If it crashes, it is only because I have some of the sounds missing. So in this part, I want to reset the view. I want, first of all, telling something about this room. This room is the unconnected room where I have put the the animation ranges, and it is not necessary to have this room. So I can delete those polygons. I do a triangulation, and I leave only just one triangle. So I am saving some of the vertices available into a room. Then I'll check if my materials are fine. What I can see is that there is a material here which is not assigned into 3dsmax, which is this one. So for now, I can select, I can select these polygons, select vertices and faces, and as you can see, it is selecting all those materials that that do not have a material assigned into 3dsmax. And for now, I can delete them because I don't need them. Okay. What I want to do now is, is to check if the UV map for every delete unused material. Okay, is the UV map for every room is fine or so. So this room has all the UV map fine. Let me see all the other rooms. They all seem fine. So I should not have problems unless here. Read, as you can see, I was right to do a fast check. Okay, snap. Very good. Okay. Since everything is fine now, I'm checking all the other rooms. Okay, select this one. Move. Very good. So unless there's something really tiny, little, very little, I don't see problems in UV mapping here in all the rooms. So I save this. Okay, this file has been converted. There's no need to delete those tiles, so I simply do an extraction. I don't want to regroup. I want to add empty tiles. I don't want any reminder. I want tiles in the A position. I want 30 as before, empty tiles. I don't want any other tiles, so I press F button. I want them to be separated, room all by the floor infos, floor data, and I press D to delete. So I go here in the folder where I am saving all my textures. I copy and paste them here. I copy and substitute everything, and I add them all at once to the meta2dir. So that is to the tier 4 file. Let me see if everything is fine. Okay. D. Now I copy and paste my room file here, and let's hope no problem will occur. There is something. Text overlaps with an animated. Okay, animated ranges. I don't care about them, so I press S to skip this warning. So there are UV mappings that use errors. This room, the 21, has more than the vertices allowed, so I'm going to check it. Okay, so let me see. Room 21, which is the room 21 is this one. Okay, yes, it is really detailed. Miscellaneous. I want to know how many vertices does it have. Select vertices. So it has about 900 too many vertices. So let me try to do something here. Too many vertices. So what I want to do, what I can do is to subdivide this room, because I don't want to give up any detail. So I want to subdivide this room into rooms, into tinier rooms. Normal, okay. For example, I want to subdivide in this way. Okay. And now obviously I have to have those polygons duplicated, so I copy and paste them. I'm going to yes, okay. So all I have to do now is to know how to rename this file. This file, this item. Let me see. Allora, I have divided room 21, which should be room 22 in NGLE. Let me see. No, room 20 in NGLE. Okay. And I have moved from this room. I've cut from this room 5 sectors. So I have to delete all the doors. Okay. I copy this one. Copy. I go here again. Okay. And I delete this room and I bound this room. Very good. I move this one here. And I create all the doors I need. Door. Oh, sorry. Door. Doors. Door. Door. And the last one. No, almost the last one. This one. And this one. No, sorry, there weren't 3, there weren't 5. So okay, yes, I did a mistake. Bit room, okay. Delete. I copy 5. Copy. Delete Okay, I want to delete this room too. Yes, so the rooms are named sequentially. Copy. And I bound this one. Bound. Here. And so I have to build all the rooms again. Door. 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 Okay. So I want to create a door here. Very good. And a door here. Very good. So I save. And this additional room should be named 27, not 26. 27. So I output button. Output button. Oh. Output button. Yes, it was fine. This one. Yes. Okay, I convert again. And this room should be room 027. Okay. Save. I copy and paste this room here. The conversion has been done. Okay, so I can export everything here. I don't want to regroup. I want to add new tiles, so I press yes. I want to add, I don't want the reminder, I want to add the tiles in the A position. I want to add 30 tiles. I don't want to add other tiles, so I press F. And I want to separate, and I press the D button. Okay. So all I have to do is to check room all. To see if the new room has been called room 027. That's fine. Okay, close. No. So I copy and paste all the text or the fixed texture tiles I have decided. Okay. I drag them all. Sorry. I drag them all at once on Meta2TR. It is quite fine. It is quite fast. I press the D button and I add the rooms into Meta2TR. But all I know is that this is going to tell the engine. Meta2TR is going to tell me that I have overview mappings errors in room 9 and 15. Okay. D. In room 9 and 15. Let's go in room 9. I do the overview mapping. Okay, in room 9, where is it? Let me see if everything is outside. No, grid, repeat. Room, oh, here it is. Okay, select, move, move, rebuild, and 15. It's the same. Okay, so I missed those polygons, those UV polygons when I was checking the first time, so everything should be fine now. I copy and paste this room file again here, and I hope everything is working now. I skip the message for the animation ranges. Okay, everything is fine. But now I want to do a check. First of all, I want to know that the total vertices in my level is this value, and if I select everything here, they are a bit less than this. Now I'll tell you how to have the same amount of vertices. Okay, and that my rooms do not go over 7,800 vertices, as I was caring to do. So everything is fine. Yes, this room 2 is really detailed, and now I'm going to see which is this room. Room 2. Room 2 is really detailed. Is this one? Room 2 is this one. Yes, it's really detailed, but still in the limits, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, everything is fine. Now what I want now is to have a file of this kind, but updated, because as you know, this room, this file, this item is an item I have created, but it does not have all the portals as all the other rooms. So I want a MQO file updated, but most of all I want a MQO file updated that has less vertices as seen as we have here, because we saw that there are about 400 vertices more than here inside the TR4 file, as meta.tr said. What I'm going to do is to save with a new file, with a new name. For I save as this one, file. Then I'm going to select each room each time, each one room each time, and I do a join closed vertices. Okay, no vertices, just to do a check. Join closed vertices. Okay, 3 vertices. Object join closed vertices. Okay, no vertices. Object join closed vertices. Okay, okay. Object join closed vertices. Okay, no vertices. It shouldn't be no vertices. Okay, I should have almost the perfect amount of vertices optimization. in this file, and to have the same optimization once in game, I'm going to do a thing you'll see after I finish to optimize those meshes. Okay. Okay. It's a little bit boring, but it must be done. Okay, you can do this part. I'm going to show you almost at any phase of sorry, almost at any phase of this process. But I'm going to do it right now, so I'll show you very soon a very clever way to optimize the files and the meshes. Okay. Okay, so the last runes. Okay. Okay, the last four. They were almost already optimized into 3dsmax. Okay, this part regards the fact that meta2tr, even if two vertices are joined, meta2tr export them as two different vertices, even if, for example, those two vertices is just one, but they have a different vertex color value. Meta2tr is going to import them as two different vertices. In order, you can have two different vertex color in game. So, as all of those meshes, all of those polygons were part of different meshes, it may happen that even if I joined the closest vertices with this process, they could have different vertex color values. So even if I joined them, meta2tr is going to import all those vertices as multiple vertices. What I want to do now is to optimize everything. Meta2tr creates a new level file each time I convert I import the MQO files, and each time I import the tiles. And it creates a do not delete file, which is the same as the new level, but it is the working file. Meta2tr reads every time the information of the vertex colors of the vertex colored in-game here from here, and it adds the information into the vertices that do not own a color here. This means let me try to explain in an easier way. I'm going to color all those vertices as I select all the vertices. I'm going to color all those vertices in white. For meta2tr, this value, the completely white that has HSV those value. Those value for meta-2D area means that, that there is no vertex color in the polygons. So when I import this kind of room, into meta-2D area, that is a room that does not have any information about vertex color, and all the vertices are joined. If I import this room into meta-2D area is going to read from the do not delete vertex color infos and applies all those infos into the new level. So I'm gonna show you here right now. I do this one, I do this. So it's going to add all those rooms and the vertex colors on those rooms. D. I then do an exportation with new level. With the new level, that is, I drag and drop this file into meta-2D area. I don't want to regroup. I don't want to add empty tiles. I want to separate. And all I am obtaining, oh, let me see. I don't know. Oh, 62. Okay, current create. Okay, let me see. 62 file is giving some problems. So it is this one. Okay. Yes. Oh, maybe it was simply. It was simply only reading. Yes, only reading file. Okay, so I drag and drop this file into meta-2D. Okay, I don't want 64 again. Okay, 64. Okay, let me try this one. What is okay? Okay, so now the conversion should work fine. Very good. Okay, my cat is crying. He needs my attention. Okay, so what I got. Oh my God. what I got. Oh, shut up. What I got now. Oh, wait a while. Here I am again. Okay, what I got now is a new conversion from new level.tr4. New level.tr4. What kind of tr4 file is a level that has this room, these rooms data as those tiles, because I imported previously all those tiles, that is those tiles. So it has geometry and bitmaps totally identical at this kind of files. So it is a completely compatible file with those data. This means that if I use room all from this file, it is from this level. If I use this room all, what I got is exactly this file. Is exactly this file, and as you can see, all the rooms, even if I imported a completely white, it is a completely illumination completely absent. The new level has created a new level, a new room all file with perfect coloration. What I have to say is that in this file, the water material is the previous water material, that is with a transparent data, with transparent channel. That's why I can see the water in a different coloration, but it's the same. It's the same geometry. Okay, so I'm going to use this one as my file to update geometry. So now what I'm going to do is to try this level in game. Let's hope everything will work. I have some doubts because there are those rooms, those sounds missing during the conversion, and I have some doubts because I have some doubts because not the geometry is imported without any kind of floor data. It is the level is simply a flat cube, a flat parallelepiped. So I'm not going to have the proper collision once I am in game, but I will see if everything is working, so I will be able to go on in building this level. Okay, I'm going to rename this file according to the script, and I'm going to see if everything is working. I don't know if the hangout works once I am in game. I hope yes. It is loading. I hope everything is working. Oh my god, if it works. Okay, everything works fine. No applause, please. No applause. No applause. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. I am so happy. Obviously, there are missing polygons. There are lots of problems that I'm going to fix in further development, in next developments. No applause, please. No applause. Lol. I'm so happy it is working, and I am so happy because it is looking very good. It is looking very, very, very good. Very, very good. Apart all those problems I'm going to fix later. So as you can see, everything works fine. And to have a completely finished level, we need really, really lot of work. But everything will work fine at the end, and it will be really, really impressive. Okay. Okay, I will stay here hours, but I don't want to bore you. So the tutorial has finished for now, and the next time I will update this file, this PRJ file, with the data info. I will tell you how to do this to have a completely to have a completely floor data PRJ updated with this from an MQO file. So the tutorial is finished for now, and we'll get in touch to next update, to next tutorial. See you, bye bye.